Here he comes again. Ooh. Dun, 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 dun. Here he comes again. Here he comes again. Here comes Eddie again. Dun, 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 dun. Day 12, learning Godot development. You ready? Let's get it on. Let's get on with it. This is multi-stream. I need a few moments to set up stuff here on backend. Do the checkup, make sure it works everything on Kick, Twitch, YouTube, D-Live, and Trovo. 7 days, 6 days left for re-streaming, multi-streaming. Then it will be reduced to just a couple channels. You know what you need to do. I'll draw it for you. Be back in a few moments. Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking I'm back. Day 12. No backing up. Learning development in Godot engine. This is my streamer lamp app, full screen notepad, maximized, free. You heard it here. Just until I get everything sorted. This is the website where everything will be kept up to date. Here is the for Godot progress segmented by days so far, by each stream. And each post will keep the references for each topic, what's covered in the video content, and we'll get the dedicated shorter episodes in there. For Godot, same for Blender, but yet not built dedicated catalog for Blender stuff, and it will branch from there, get updated and so on, only on website, including video on demand, free video on demand. Now I can switch and share the desktop where I'm monitoring this thing, so you can see what I'm doing. What's taking so long? What's taking so long? Here we are. Here's V. How will you give birth already, YouTube? Some platforms just can't don't allow the pop up the chat's activity feed until I'm live. But actually it's also, I think it's better this way for the starting soon segment. We cool on Trovo? Huh? Over there? Sup? What up? What up? What the? Okay, I got all these shizzles, let me just align them. Please. Please. Misa. Please. This will be easy. Oh look, live chat on Trovo. Like always. Lagging. In the pop-up. Ah, nothing that F5 can't fix. Just like that. How to clear the activity feed for Twitch. It's all 10 days now, the same stuff. It's getting really crowded there. While the chat is like a graveyard. Maybe even better. When there are no bots and farming, no chat happening in reality. Anyway, this is a live performance, live recording for the episodes. Sooner I get the video in the cloud, the better. So I don't need to edit it locally and re-upload it, download it, spend double time all around. I like it this way, more authentic, more authenticity. I can't help you if you get offended by any way from my side. That's your that's on you. We are on the internet, everything is fake, so don't get carried away. There we go. Perfect. So this is when I hit the stream marker and switch around these things. And should I use this? Can I try use it? Can I keep using these things like this? I can close this out. Hit stream marker and maybe give some unscripted intro for the recorded version. So